The CarPlay dongle helps you to have an enhanced wireless experience in your car so that you can have a carefree and more relaxing journey. You can easily control the various functions with this CarPlay dongle, like accessing Siri, getting navigation, playback music volume control, skipping a track, volume control, and much more. The fifth product on our list is the AutoSky wireless CarPlay adapter. The best for easy setup. It's priced at about $90. AutoSky wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone has a carbon fiber finish with a protective coat to protect it from scratches of daily use. This is great for carbon fiber dashboards. It's equipped with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz modules for the fastest and best connection and experience possible. The CarPlay adapter also comes with USB-A to USB-A cable extension for tight fit areas, and a USB-A to USB-C cable for cars with car stereos that have USB-C ports. The AutoSky Pro Edition wireless CarPlay adapter connects quickly and automatically after pairing. All you have to do is pair it using Bluetooth and make sure you have your Wi-Fi settings turned on. There is a whole list of more than 600 vehicles that are compatible with the device, so you have to take a look at the compatibility list on the product page. You can also update the adapter software online to ensure you have the latest version. With this Bluetooth CarPlay dongle, you can take your car stereo experience to another level. Enjoy hands-free use of your iPhone while driving with the AutoSky wireless CarPlay adapter. Number 4. CarlinKit 3.0 wireless CarPlay adapter. It costs around $115. The tiny wireless CarPlay adapter enhances your overall driving experience. However, there are a few things you need to bear in mind before you can start using the device. First off, it is only for vehicles that feature factory-wired Apple CarPlay. Aside from that, it only works with iPhone iOS 10 or above. After plugging the wireless CarPlay adapter into your vehicle's USB port, you'd need to wait for a couple of minutes before it opens on the car screen. The next step involves clicking on CarPlay on the car screen. Aside from that, you should enable CarPlay on your smartphone. Using Bluetooth connectivity, search and select this dongle and pair connection. This will open CarPlay. Among other things, you will get to play music with Spotify, a USB flash drive for movies and music playing, mirror link for iPhone and Android phones, and a car screen as a YouTube app TV screen. This delivers a superior driving experience. Moreover, each item goes through professional testing. The company uses strong quality control. If you face issues in terms of installation or setup, you can simply contact the company for assistance. However, all you need to do is to plug the dongle into your vehicle that has a normal Type-C or USB port. The third product on this top is the Hieha wireless CarPlay adapter. It is priced at around $60. The Hieha wireless CarPlay adapter tops our list as the best alternative because of its unique approach to wireless Apple CarPlay. This product focuses on two aspects and refines them to the point of near perfection. First is its simple installation process. Other products on the market can be complicated to set up. Most users report being able to run through Hieha's initial setup within a few minutes with little trouble. Second is this unit's ability to detect and connect to your phone quickly. While other dongles run a 5.5 GHz Wi-Fi module, Hieha's clocks in at 5.8 GHz. It may not seem like much, but it translates to major savings in startup time from the point of turning on your car and accessing CarPlay. We really appreciate the responsive customer care we received with the Hieha wireless CarPlay adapter. Most manufacturers are slow to respond to your questions or support requests. Hieha got back to us within hours every time, which is important, especially for non-tech savvy people that might run into issues with installation. The second product on our list is the Ottocast U2 Air wireless CarPlay adapter. The best runner-up. You can get it at a price of $110. The Ottocast U2 Air gives the X Pro a run for its money for a multitude of reasons. Of any dongle on the market, the U2 Air is one of the fastest. When tested on a Mercedes GLE 350, startup speed clocked in at a blistering 7 seconds from startup. That's significantly faster than most competitors who can take as long as 22 seconds to get running. Initial setup is decently easy to get done as long as you follow the provided instructions. From there, we noticed that the U2 Air had no problems discovering and connecting to our iPhones. This is due to the snappy 5 GHz Wi-Fi module. The signal quality was fantastic. Music is pristine and uninterrupted, and lag time is minimal. It's compatible with all CarPlay friendly buttons on the vehicle as well, so you can still use volume and skip buttons on things like your steering wheel. Overall, the U2 Air is a pricey option, but we feel strongly that the value holds up the price point. And finally, the first product here on our list is the Ottocast U2X Pro Wireless CarPlay Adapter. It is priced at around $170. This latest model from Ottocast takes the best overall spot in decisive fashion. The U2X Pro is a powerful combination of performance, versatility, and connectivity. Although it carries a premium price tag, the features and values more than justify it. While other adapters are limited in the number of devices you can connect, the U2X Pro allows you to link several devices while giving you a spot on the interface to manage those connections. This model is also dual compatible, meaning you can connect either an Android or an Apple device to use either Android Auto or CarPlay. It's one of the few products on the market that gives you access to both. No need to pay for two different adapters and swap them out depending on who the driver is. The initial setup is extremely simple. Many users can get up and running within 10 minutes. When it comes to auto connecting after starting the car, the U2X Pro achieves one of the fastest connect times on the market, allowing you to get back into the GPS or music as fast as possible. We could not be more impressed by this version of the Ottocast.